This is a video tutorial of how I wired my Bluetooth enabled motorcycle helmet with a GoPro 7 and dual microphone inputs. This type of setup allows us to record our voices while motorcycle traveling.
This world keeps spinning and there's no time to waste. Well, it all keeps spinning, spinning round and round and upside down. I don't want this feeling to go away.
The GoPro 7 is an exceptional camera for image quality, video stabilization, and connectivity to the applications I use on my tablet and my smartphone. The GoPro 7's biggest downfall is its audio quality. I've spent a good deal of time on the internet researching a better solution, and this is what I've come up with. Some of this video was previously recorded using the Windslayer foam camera cover for the GoPro. Thanks to Fulfill on YouTube for mentioning that this cover is not required when you're using external microphones. Alright, let's talk about hardware. Of course you're going to need an action camera. I use a GoPro 7, but any action camera that has a microphone, 3.5mm microphone input should work. You'll need the GoPro microphone adapter. This should work on the Hero 5 Session and the Hero 5 through 8 Black series of GoPro. Unfortunately, this large thing, especially compared to the GoPro, is the only way that you can connect external microphone to GoPro, so you need it. 2 lavalier microphones. These ones are by Rode and they're called the Lavalier Go. It doesn't have to be this brand, but the reason we have 2 is that one is going to go in front of my mouth to capture my voice, and the other is going to go in front of the Bluetooth speaker to capture Chantil's voice, so they can be both recorded to the GoPro. It is important that you ensure that the microphone and adapter all have a TRS connector. You can tell a TRS connector by looking at the rings on the plug. It has 2 rings here. If you've got a 3-ring plug, that is a TRRS, and in that case you'll need an adapter. You'll need a microphone Y adapter. This is going to combine the 2 signals from the 2 microphones, one here and one here, into one signal, which will go directly into the GoPro mic adapter. And I'll be using a GoPro mount by ProShot. It'll mount directly to my helmet. Alright, let's discuss installation. The first part is you're going to install the microphones. So I'll show you that process. This is the microphone that'll go into the mouthpiece, and then I'll install another microphone in front of the Bluetooth speaker. To get access to this, I had to actually pull the cheek pad out so I could get access into the speaker, which is right here. Here is the mouth microphone. I just use zip ties and put it in position. The ear microphone I just attached to the cheek pad, and the cheek pad will then be directly in front of the Bluetooth speaker. Alright, once we've got the microphones installed into the helmet, then we'll plug them into the Y adapter. In my case, I just made the mouth microphone plug into the red, and then the ear one plug into black. It doesn't particularly matter. I added a little bit of electrical tape. It'll help the connectors to stay connected, and also since they're outside, it'll provide a little bit of protection from the rain. So next we'll mount the ProShot. I mounted mine with enough room to fit the GoPro microphone adapter right on the chin, and low enough that once the camera's installed, it shouldn't affect my view too much. I also mounted some Velcro to the microphone adapter, the GoPro microphone adapter, just in case, to give it a little more stability. Now for the GoPro camera, you're going to have to remove the cover from the left side. Unfortunately, once you pull this cover, it's no longer waterproof, but it's the only way you can get access to the USB-C connector that the GoPro adapter plugs into. Now we're going to put the GoPro into the mount. So next we'll plug in the male portion of the Y adapter into the GoPro microphone adapter, and then the USB-C portion of the microphone adapter will go into the camera. The other thing you're going to have to do is adjust the mount to where you have it. I typically just put it maybe a couple millimeters from the helmet, at least on my helmet, and then that kind of sits vertical right with the horizon right in the middle. So you'll have to experiment on your own motorcycle and your own helmet to find out exactly where you want to put the GoPro. Okay, now we're going to configure the camera for the setup that I use. I use 1080, 30 frames per second, and on super wide mode. That's completely up to you. The reason I use that is because we have a limited amount of data that we can put on our hard drives while we're traveling, and I feel that that's a decent compromise for quality versus for data. All right, that's it. Let's go ride. Oh, some deer. Look, those little deer goats.
You see them?
Yep, there they are. There are two of them. Boom.
Boom, boom, boom.
There's three of them, actually.
There's quite a few in there, huh? Oh, there's one right here.
Yep.
Gosh, they're so cute.
They're pretty cute. Alright, this is a test of the two lavalier Go microphones, both in, this is a test for my voice with the mouth microphone, test 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, and now we're going to test Chantil's, which is installed in my left ear. Chantil?
Yep, can you hear me? This is the test of my microphone, and hear me, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1.
There you go. And we're cruising along at 110 kilometers with my visor down. Alright, that's a test. We'll see how it turns out. Cheers!
Yep.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up below. Subscribing and clicking on the bell icon will ensure you get updates to future video releases. Thanks for the support.